Hello everyone and welcome to a brand new episode of Ameyaw Can Cook. Today I promise to cook something exciting, challenging myself. Anyway, stick and stay if you want to find out what I'm cooking. Of course, you've seen it in the headline already, but don't forget to hit the subscribe button and comment, like and share all our content. We'll be right back. Welcome back. So today I'm cooking something I tried well over 10 years ago. I was working with the Vision magazine and we went to White Sands to see what we could do with them in terms of marketing. And they gave us this amazing mango salad with prawns or shrimps. I can't quite remember, but it was the first time I was having mango salad and I sort of liked it. And I haven't tasted another one since that, but I'm going to try and recreate it myself. So today, that's what we are doing. Stick and stay, let's start cooking. All right, so here are the ingredients for what we are cooking today. Of course, the main star of the show is the mango. It's supposed to be green, and I hope that this one is green because the only way you can tell that it's really green and unripened is when you press it and it's hard. So hopefully it's still green in there. We've got some onions, we've got garlic, we've got some herbs to taste for the dressing later on. So I have oregano, I have some thyme, basils, and other things in there. Of course, one of the other stars of the show is the prawns. So this is a prawn meat. We've already taken everything out of it and it's just the meat. I have some butter. I have virgin coconut oil. I have cider vinegar as well. I've got some lemons. And this is about the basic thing that we need. But when we are doing the dressing, some new things will pop up and I will take you through it as well. So let's get cooking right now. All right, so welcome back. And like I said, this here is the main star of the food we're cooking today, is the main ingredient. And it's quite big. I don't know, I'm supposed to peel it and then sort of grate it to the consistency we want. It's quite big, I don't know how I'm going to handle it, but I'm going to put in some work. Let's start it. Alright, so as you can see, I've peeled everything and it seems one side is almost ripe and already it's quite big. So I'm going to cut it up a little bit so that it's easy for me to maneuver it and grate the portions I like. What we're going to do now is to grate it into thinner strips and let's see. Alright, so unfortunately my nightmare has come true and as I was saying, I was hoping that the mango would be green throughout, but unfortunately some part is quite ripe and so it didn't turn out the way I wanted it after grating. But what I'm going to do is, of course, there are also ways to present it when it's sweet, and so I'm going to turn things around and still whip up something amazing. Alright guys, so we're going to continue cooking. And you know, if you watch Ameyaw Can Cook, normally I like my onions a certain way. I like them diced, but today because it's salad, I'm going to cut it across so it comes out a little roundish. We have it like that. It's a right circular like that. So take them out like that. Alright, so we have our onions here. Now we're going to start. I'm going to work on the prawns. I'm going to use butter to fry it with some garlic, and then we proceed to preparing the salad ASAP. All right, so let's get it cracking. Just a little bit of the butter, as you can see. Put it in there. And as you can see, it's about to melt. All right, so I'm going to toss in some garlic. So a little salt to taste. So a little ground black pepper. A little fish seasoning. All right, so we are still in the process. We're almost done. I'm going to pop in the onions at this stage so that it doesn't get fried or anything, but it gets softened a little bit before we pour it into the main salad. So it's going to be in these big chunks like that, just so that it's part of it. You get the rings. You get the, and it's not too soft. So there you have it. You're going to stir it up a little bit. All right, so now it's time for the dressing. We're going to do some sort of vinaigrette. It's our own styled vinaigrette. And the exciting thing about this is I'm going to try and use virgin coconut oil as the base. Normally we use olive oil, but I just want to switch things up a little bit. It's already very sweet, so I want to have that tropical flavors going, mango, coconut, and that kind of thing. So let's start this. We're going to start by juicing this lemon. Let's create some lemon juice. The good thing about these things is for me there's no formula. You create your own and you run with it. I'm going to prepare it in this so I can sort of give it a good shake for everything to come together. So we are going to start with the vinegar. Let's pour in our coconut, virgin coconut oil. our lemon juice. And basil, oregano, thyme. All right, we have a little mayonnaise. To thicken things up and make it creamy. A little salt to taste, and there you have it. Let's give it a bit of a shake. All right, so I'm going to put in the dressing. So there you have it, very colorful, something new and different. I'm going to put it in the fridge for a bit while I do a little garlic bread. I like to call it garlic bread that I would serve the salad with. So stick and stay, I'll be right back. All right, so welcome back. This is how we're going to close off. I'm going to toast this in a bit of garlic and butter, and then we're going to serve it with the salad. So let's do that. So I'm going to cut it shaped like that. Great, so we're just going to wait for that to heat up, toss in some butter and garlic, and then we continue the action. All right, so the mango salad is ready, and of course the prawns are in it. We can't wait to taste it. The next time you see me, I'll be plating it for you. But before that, make sure you hit the subscribe button so that you always come back for more amazing recipes from Ameyaw's Kitchen. Yes, Ameyaw Can Cook. Don't forget to hit that button, subscribe, always comment, share our content as well. God bless you.